Hey guys, welcome back. Hi my fellow June bugs. Thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 10 of the February unboxing frenzy, where I am doing a handbag unboxing slash reveal every single day in the month of February. So if that is something you're excited about and this is the first video of mine that you've stumbled upon, I would love you to join my little YouTube family. My name is June. I am a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. In this channel I talk all things luxury, especially handbags, and I particularly love vintage Chanel. And yeah, this month I am doing a video every single day, so you do not want to miss that out. I'm just a bit hot, so I've turned the aircon on. So today is day 10 and we have got another gorgeous Chanel unboxing slash reveal. This one's actually a bit more of a reveal because if you follow me on Instagram, shameless plug, you will already know this bag. If you don't, I will put my Instagram handle here. I would love for you to also follow me on there. This is where I give sneak peeks of any handbags that I don't reveal on my channel and show how I style it, if my style is also something you're interested in. So go and check it out. I would really appreciate it. So it comes in this bag here. I wonder if you guys can guess what it is. If you follow me on Instagram, from the color palette you may know. I would be surprised if you guys can guess this one, but I will say it's something you've seen before. So are you ready? It is the gorgeous Chanel chocolate bar shoulder bag, and this is in the orange PVC, what do we call this, or sort of that kind of shiny leather. God, I'm drawing a mental blank what kind of leather this is, but yeah, it is in the orange chocolate bar, and this I purchased in 2021. This has the a really gorgeous brushed silver hardware, and it actually has this really cute sort of pink strap that you can use as a shoulder bag. Now this bag is from the chocolate bar line. If you aren't familiar with this line and you're starting out with Chanel, I really urge you to look into the chocolate bar range. It's actually very affordable. It comes in a variety of different colors, different finishes as well. So this one is in sort of the vernis PVC style bag, but it also comes in like lambskin, and I don't know if it comes in caviar, but I've seen it in black, in gold, in a bright pink. Like if you're wanting to add something different, maybe in a different color, and you're someone who already has a little bit of a Chanel collection, this is a really good avenue to go. They are really affordable. I think I got this one for less than $2,000. I think it was 1,600 Australian dollars. I did have to pay duties, that's the only thing. But yeah, I really wanted the orange because I had seen it on, I think, Sincerely Jules or a couple of bloggers, and I loved that the orange can be worn sort of during autumn and as well as during spring. I think orange is such a versatile color in a handbag that people don't realize. You really can dress it up and dress it down. So I actually own a few orange bags, and I don't regret it at all. Opening it up, I've actually used this weekend, but it comes with this beautiful pink leather in the interior. It's like this shimmery pink. This came with everything, so it came with the authenticity card there, and then it also has the serial code. This one is a 6 series bag, but yeah, I've sort of contemplated adding this in like many other colors because I've seen it in like a bright pink and also this metallic gold, which I think would be amazing for like a nighttime clutch. But yeah, they do go up a bit more in price depending on the condition, but I absolutely love this one. The wear and tear of this is pretty good. Like the only thing you can notice with these type of like, oh, I need to know what it's called. Patent. Here we go. There we go. It's in this patent leather. The only thing with patent leather you need to be aware of is they do color transfer, so just be careful when you're storing this. But also it can fade. This one's not too bad, but sometimes the top is a lot lighter than the bottom. As I mentioned, this one's not terrible. You can see a little bit more fading, but I feel like it's an acceptable fade. Like honestly, none of them are going to be in perfect condition, and I kind of did want the orange vinyl leather. I wanted to add a bit more of the patent in my collection because they're really good sort of going out bag because they're really hearty. Like they don't stain that much when you spill stuff on them. It's just when you're storing them and you put them next to newspaper or ink, it will sort of color transfer. So yeah, this is a really great bag. Guys, if I sound a bit funny, I think I'm coming down with something, so I do apologize for that. But I can already see, just a quick Google of this. So this is called the East West chocolate, and I can already see from Vestiaire there is this beautiful beige one. So that's gorgeous. I know it's not like the quilting that people sort of see as quintessential Chanel, but I really think that this has its own sort of like uniqueness and beauty. And the other thing with this bag is the strap is actually removable, so you can actually remove it, not completely, so one side is completely attached, the other side is removable, but you can tuck it in if you wanted to and just have it as a clutch. So I actually really want to add the gold one in my collection just so I could use it for sort of nighttime events. I think that would be really nice. But for now, I like using this during the day because it is just a fun pop of color, and I think it's a really versatile bag. I love wearing these with dresses. I also love wearing it for spring. I've tended to wear this more during spring, summer, just because sometimes with coats, it gets a bit annoying to sort of put this over, but you can replace this with a crossbody strap and use it that way. Let me just show you what it looks like on. So I'm just wearing this vest and just some shorts, and this is how I would wear it, just like this. I can actually crossbody this because I'm quite petite, just like this. And sort of just use it like this, hands free. As I mentioned, you can replace the straps if you wanted to, so you can attach a strap on these two D-rings here. It's not a problem. So if you wanted to use like a thicker strap, you can absolutely do that. In terms of like the shape of this, it is a lot thinner, so this will fit your phone, like sunglasses, makeup, because I did use this the other day. You can even fit like moisturizer, but you just have to sort of store it in a way that is sort of long rather than overpacking it. But yeah, you guys, this is such a cute little bag. I really wanted to do a video for this because I did do a Instagram reveal reel I think last year, but it needs its own video because it is so cute, and I have worn this quite a few times because you guys know I own a lot of Chanel bags, and when I reach for something often, that's when I know that it's actually a really good bag. So I've already worn this quite a handful of times. Really cute bag. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say about the Chanel East West chocolate bar flap. I will try and put some links to any that I find in the info bar below that are reasonably priced, or any that I feel are like just gorgeous and you need to check out. I really think this is one for a Chanel lover. Don't miss out on this one. I feel like the popularity of this has increased because I've seen a few more people wearing this and using this. If you're looking for a shoulder bag that sort of fits in with the current trend, this is right up your alley, but also still, because it's Chanel, it's a lot more classic and you can sort of use it even after the trend has died down, because you could just wear this as a clutch, honestly. If you had like a bright red one, gorgeous. Even a black, that would be a great like everyday bag. Like, how cute is this as a clutch? I just think it's gorgeous, honestly. I'm on the lookout for more of this. The only thing is it doesn't have a pocket at the back, but it does have a couple of pockets at the interior. So yeah, anyways, you guys, that is my little reveal. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know how you're liking February unboxing frenzy. Please share it with any friends or family if you think that they would like this little series of mine as well. As I mentioned, I am doing an unboxing every single day this month, so if you want to see what I am revealing or unboxing tomorrow, do make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. As always, you guys, hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.